outside of people time, and I'm like, I'm getting the puppy today because I didn't want to jinx it. So the whole thing. But we're on our way there. He's home. He had a little nap. He's pretty good in the car. He only cried for about 15 minutes or so. He's had some lunch. Now he's having a sleep. And then when he wakes up, I'm gonna have to take him out again. He also met Nikita, who is trying to play with him. You just want to hang out, don't you? You just want to hang out. Nikita's keeping an eye on him. We're just being cautious and letting them have supervised time together, but then making sure that they have their own space too. So exciting, isn't it, honey? Yeah, you look excited. You're my baby, and you must love me. So this is Obi. Obi. He is a miniature American Shepherd, which as far as I'm aware is the breed was created by breeding down Australian Shepherds. So a lot of time when people say mini Aussies, this is what they mean. And he's about 8.5 weeks, and he's a sweet little baby. He has one brown eye and one blue eye. And he's so sweet, and he's so soft. And Nikita's actually being really good with him right now. Oh, come back! Nikita's on a walk, but she's being really good with him. Oh, I got you. I got you. So here he is. Here he is.
I like how he's brown just on like the fronts of his back legs.
It's almost 11. I took him out at 10. He's in his crate now. I was gonna say he's doing really well in his crate. He went in kind of on his own. We put his bed and his blanket and stuff in there, and he's been doing pretty good. But when I left the room, he did cry a bit. But he looks like he's asleep now. I am going to try to go to bed now, and then see what time he wakes me up. Hopefully I can get some sleep in before I have to go outside. It's so cold too. It's like -20. I think it's warming up a little bit because it snowed, but it's so cold. It's 4:50 and we just went outside. And now somebody's awake. He was better than I could have hoped last night. He slept in his crate until about almost 5, and then we went out, and he took a little bit of time to settle back down after, but he eventually did, and then he was quiet until about 8. Like, I was totally prepared to be like, you don't get any sleep, you're up every hour, this is what it's like, and it might be like that after tonight, but he did really good. He's sleeping, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get him workout in. Get a bit of control to play with Nikita as they get used to each other. Nikita doesn't understand that he's a baby, I think. So they need to be supervised when they play together. So he's all tuckered out. We have a little nap. I'm gonna try to get a workout in. Are you playing? We're sitting on the floor, waiting for him to calm down, and then I'm gonna go to bed. You had a pretty good day. You had a pretty good day. He only got up at midnight, and then he got up at 6, so that was pretty good. And then he went back into his crate until 8. We're having a bit more trouble settling tonight. We had lots of playing with Nikita, which is very exciting, but they both need to learn how to have an off switch. But he's been pretty good. I'm hoping to get another 6-hour stretch of sleep. I would love that. I'm so worried about him biting on the bars and getting his mouth stuck. Stop it. Stop it. Exhausted. He actually did really well last night. He slept until 6:30, then we went out, but then he didn't want to settle again. And then the night before, I was up every 2 hours. So running on a bit of a deficit today. Trying to get some work done. The 2 dogs are being a lot better together and that they're able to settle. He pooped on the floor today, which did not love. So we're still working on potty training. He's been doing pretty well. It's just about me being able to read his signals more, I think. I'm gonna try to get some work done before he wakes up and has to work out again. Someone's here. Of course, as soon as I said I was gonna get some work done, he woke up, and then while I was getting my coat, peed on the floor. Great time. We're going on a little walk around the neighborhood. Getting used to people and traffic and dogs. He doesn't like the bike. He doesn't like it. I'm hoping he'll get used to it. You're being a good boy. it got it got hard, surprisingly. He doesn't want to be a part. These two are absolute demons. Oh my god, come! Come! Oh, good girl. They won't be too bad during the day, and then as soon as you want to relax in the evening, they'll turn into little monsters. Little monsters. And then you can't sit down for a second, because they'll just be trying to wrestle and play and bark the whole time. Yes, yes. I love you anyways, yes I do. So that's what that has been like. On top of me trying to work and potty train. But I'll try to keep it up. I think I like seeing how Obi's doing. He's already gained a bunch of weight. But that was our first week. If you want my baking videos, I have one still to edit that I'll try to put up either this week or next week. And then if you want more puppies, I'm going to try to keep this going, so you can subscribe, and I will see you soon.